In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model, texture and render this Yin Yang animation in 6 minutes. I'll post a link to this tutorial's reference image in the description below. Delete the default cube and import the SVG image. Scale the SVG image a bit. Delete the half of the image. We can't delete this dot, because it needs to be used as our Boolean mesh. Convert all the curves to meshes and extrude this dot mesh on the z-axis. Use this mesh as the Boolean mesh. Combine these two meshes with Ctrl+J. Move this mesh carefully on the y-axis until its midpoint reaches the center of the scene. Move the origin to the 3D cursor. Duplicate the mesh and rotate it like this. This is the tricky part. We need to make sure the two dots are properly aligning with two holes. Rotate and move the yin mesh until their dots are properly aligned. Press Ctrl+A and reset all transforms. For the Yang mesh, press I as in India, to set a keyframe. Go to frame 100 and rotate the mesh 360 degrees on the y-axis and set a new keyframe with I. Go to the Animation tab and open the Graph Editor. Right-click this window and pick Linear as the interpolation mode. The linear option will give us a continuous overall look of the animation. Do the same thing for the yin mesh, but rotate -360 degrees on the z-axis instead. Create a background and apply the material. This is the end of the Yin Yang animation tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.